Hypotension.
Hypotension. Very good. It's
Pwede ba
not
makita?
anemia. What you will tell the patient? Anemia will be based on so how do you define anemia?
Decreased hemoglobin.
Okay. Anemia daw is a common hematologic disorder. Is defined pathophysiologically as a decrease in oxygen carrying capacity. Pathophysiologically. Meaning by pathophysio, it's the cause, no? The illness is the patho, the physio is the function that is being disordered. So, carrying capacity man, what portion of the red cells is responsible for the carrying capacity?
Hemoglobin.
So it's the hemoglobin that really fails. Okay, anemia. So that's why I really try to tell you to read the book, the pages, because I rearrange it in a very simplified way. Hopefully you can understand, not only me na I rearrange it just for my own. So anemia, it will be absolute or relative. What does it mean by absolute? It's really the red cells that is problematic. When you say it's relative, di ba? The whole blood consists of what? Yes. If the plasma will increase like during pregnancy, then pregnant women have higher blood volume. It's the plasma that is expanded. So what will happen? Okay, during pregnancy, the baby will try to get the iron. The mother will become problematic. So that's why there's really families facing not the nanganak this year, another year, nanganak, but you keep spacing for the body of the mother to remain. Okay? So impaired, and then it was split, the absolute was split into two. Is it that destruction is increased, or is it the production itself? So when you say destruction, what can you give an example of the destruction? Hemolytic anemia, no? Autohemolysis. Meaning there's an autoimmune problem. The body itself is producing an antibody that is trying to kill. What else? Spermatocytosis. The problem is production or destruction? Destruction. Why is destruction? Abnormal form. And then the macrophage will try to, this is no longer normal. It will try to bite. If the macrophage will try to bite in hemolytic anemia or in destructive type development, what you will see in the peripheral skin?
Bite cells.
Bite cells, which is under schistocytes. Okay, so ihanap mo lang ba easy. When it comes to marrow production, what you will see, or give an example of the pathophysial problem
Plastic.
that will decrease in
Plastic.
plastic. Okay, from the word there's no good, not only the RBC but also the platelet and the WBC, plastic. So here is macroglobulinemia. Ano ang macroglobulinemia? What happened to macroglobulinemia? From the word globulinemia.
Increased globulins.
Globulins, which is in the plasma. Plasma, expansion. Post-flight. Ano nga si post-flight? How will you explain post-flight astronauts. High altitude, mag-report siya.
Increase EPO.
Okay, but before that, erythropoietin will try to increase. There's already inverse of the ratio between red cells and plasma. Ano, right? May pagkatulog sa tissue. Anemia. Ako na yung insert. Sino na? So, non-marrow diseases. Memorize the marrow. Which is, no need to memorize it. Endocrine is outside. Renal is really outside the marrow. Inflammatory disorder is still outside. Stem cell disorder, acquired aplastic. The paroxysmal nocturnal, what is the problem with paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria? Huh? There's a problem of what? You're reading chapter 32. Huh?
Hemolytic gapon siya daw na out.
Before it can be sent, the red cells are already killed in the marrow. But, and what's the problem with this one? What's the example? What's the problem? What's the main cause of the paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria? Hemoglobinuria.
What's the point?
Then the hemolytic will be extrinsic factors. Ang extrinsic is really acquired. The intrinsic, imagine na lang ang intrinsic inherited sa acquired chemical, understandable, antibody. Antibodies, how come that antibodies can be extrinsic? What is an example of this one? Extrinsic antibodies. Extrinsic.
Mga hemolytic.
Between the two, what does it mean by extrinsic and intrinsic? Between the two, what do you observe? Just based on the pathophysiology, the causes. The problem here is really in the red cell membrane inside, but here outside, not necessarily outside the body, but it's really not part of the red cell. Why? Antibodies is still inside with our cell. Diba? If you will be transfused with a different type of red blood type, of course the antibody will try to act up, causing hemolysis. Why? Recent studies suggest that prolonged exposure to weightlessness and return to sea level after a period of high altitude acclimatization are associated with selective loss of young blood cells, also known as neocytes. From the word neo, young. As a result of erythropoietin withdrawal as a process known of neocytolysis. So why do you think?
Result of EPO.
Why is really the new? That is, that will die as a result of erythropoietin withdrawal. Now,
It's the hormone that allows erythropoietin. Stimulates.
well, not at all. Mura siya ka, 17 years old, ang bira, bahala ikihas sa mga basta managsulirat ng mata. Why?
The new cells doc still requires EPO for it to complete.
Yes, the mature ones does not require anemia. Kung sa may nagtamo sa anemia, if there's anemia, lower hemoglobin, lower blood volume, dependent on the rate of changes. Why it's dependent on the rate of the changes? Bossy was hit by a car with very profuse bleeding. Hemoglobin of 8. Does Bossy needs transfusion? Hit by a car.
No. 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 No.
8 of hemoglobin. 8. Hemoglobin is 8 already. Needed transfusion? Yes or no? Yes? Yes. Why? Rate of changes will be dependent on the rate of changes. It's very acute. Diba? It's very acute. Patient with a chronic disease, Jessel, with a chronic disease, with a hemoglobin of 6 for the past 1 year, do Giselle need transfusion right away?
Yes.
No. Why? The rate is chronic and okay. So guess naman na. Today it will be taught in your yes. How about transfusion? What is the normal hemoglobin for just an average? It's either a guy or
30.
a 1 unit of blood will increase how much hemoglobin?
One.
Hemoglobin?
3 hematocrit per hemoglobin.
Sorry.
3 hematocrit daw, 1 hemoglobin.
Okay. So nasakta na rate of changes. Diminished delivery. So kunaw na diminished delivery. Because of the diminished delivery, there will be tissue hypoxia. And then, it often, what's the symptoms? Why there's fatigue?
Lactic acidosis.
There's no oxygen. What will be the cycle or in biochemistry that will be very active? Aerobic and aerobic.
Anaerobic.
Huh?
Anaerobic kung wala'y oxygen.
And
Aerobic.
aerobic. Increase what?
Lactic acid.
Lactic acid. What will be the temperature? Increase, decrease? Part of increase. Why? Part of the production of any metabolic drug. Why there is pallor?
Low blood.
Is it pallor is very, is it in your PD? Pallor is very reliable indicator? No. Which part pallor is very reliable? Complete physical examination. Hasta man ang makita
Salpingranulosa.
sa pananaw-tanaw. I know sa bugan.
Conjunctivate.
Reliable. Dyspnea on exertion. Dyspnea on exertion. Why on exertion?
Low oxygen breathing.
No.
Low oxygen breathing.
Yan, diba? Mga laki. Ina din yung partner natin niya po. Ikaw yung trabaho. Oh. Rason ang namin niya. Kapag obsession, sigma dyspnea. Difficulty. Faintness. Vertigo. Palpitation. Ano mga palpitate? When there's palpitation. Ha? Relaxation. Very good. Decrease oxygen.
Increase.
Increase heart rate. Why increase heart rate? In layman lang yun. the normal red cells want to, macrophytic. Bilang ka ng million, bilang ka ng million in normal, bilang ka million na normal red cells ka. 4 to 6 average is 5. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Why increase? So that you will try to, how will you try to counsel your patient? You have to rest. You have to take your iron. You have to, kasi Jehovah pa rin. Hindi na sila mapapresensyon. Pero pahala na naman sila. So example lang. If you will reduce the number of red cell to half, how much is left? 3 million. Supposedly, the heart is very relaxed to pump because there are 5 million to work to serve the whole entire body. You remove the 2 million, the heart will try to compensate. Why? The workers are fewer, so that the workers can do their work faster. It has to circulate faster through increasing the heart rate. If you're high blood, how come high blood nako nga anemic magkahako? Because there's no correlation. But the effect of anemia nga will increase the heart rate, will increase the BP. Why? How will you compute the BP? BP is cardiac output
Times heart rate.
Very good. Meaning, increase heart rate, increase BP, the more you will die. And since I have seen Peter, it's okay. So here so that's the history of the patient. When in terms of physical findings, it's the part of the doctor. Rapid bounding pulse. Low blood pressure. Anong low blood pressure? Very good. If it's initial or the heart is already exhausted, it can no longer compensate. Then, edema. Why there is dependent edema? Still in the later part, by the time that the heart will try to fail already. Congestion. Systolic murmurs. Why there is systolic murmurs?
Problem A, ventricular feeling. Gamay naman ng cardiac output.
Very good explanation. Kasi ako sa mga So, lahat characteristic specific type of modifying factors, compensatory adjustment, cardiac output, increase, decrease. Increase. Respiratory rate, increase, decrease. Increase. Oxygen affinity. Increase, decrease. Increase, decrease.
Decrease to release more.
In or decrease. In or decrease. No, decrease. Affinity. Oxygen dissociation. Sa kanilang force, no?
Decrease ang SPO to increase ang affinity para ma-compensate.
Decrease dapat para bulian niya.
No.
Increase.
There's already anemia. Always remember that. Pneumonics for that. It is right to give shift to the left. It is right to give meaning. There should be a decrease affinity. Why? The more you will increase the affinity, the more it cannot give to the tissue. Okay? It is right to give.
Pero ang SPO to niya kung anemia mag-decrease. Pero ang yung affinity increase para
So,
ma-compensate.
ang katawan ay hiram lang. When anemia develops slowly, impatient, not otherwise severely
Sa ingon sa PowerPoint.
ill,
Sa book.
concentration as low
Tawingon
as
sa
6
buko,
milligrams
ano
may develop without discomfort and physical. 6 milligrams per dl. Okay? The patient is still candidate for transfusion, but not as emergent as very acute loss. Okay? So meaning, how many units you have to transfuse?
2.
Itong 2 will be raised to 8. Pwede na. Oh, or, we say 3. Whole blood, pack.
Pa.
Pack. Kaya mas gamit yun. Ang pack. Remember? Wait. If the patient is, there's already edema and whole blood, but there will be volume overload. So remember that. Inuang pero, inuray. Okay. Diagnose now. Diagnose now. Non-narrow, endocrine, renal, inflammatory. Sige, what's your technique? How will you diagnose? Bigyan ka ng jacket, maka-answer. How will you make for that one? Is it paracetamol? Is it deficiency? Are deficiency name? Di ba? And if you're the doctor now, these are the choices. Letter A, letter B, which one is the answer? What will be the name?
History.
History.
History sa history then lab.
May boto ang boto. Step by step. Airs. Step 1 is airs. And then, for me, later na that you will really dig down this one is really applicable, especially if you're patho. That's why even I'm a pathologist, I'm just looking in my microscope. This is an infant. I only know just by looking at the cells. Itanaw na ko sa edad, to newborn. This one is alcoholic. Then I'll read the history. It's really true. Alcoholic. Okay, proceed. So first is airs. Next to airs, if you're done with the airs, you go for the excellent history and PE. By the time you already have the history and PE, you will test selection will be thorough. Why? If you know all the menstruation and history, the problem is thyroid, then you do the thyroid pattern. But how come you will do everything? You will need the iron serum, you will do if this is maybe the urine problem, problem with the renal, you will do the butanol, everything. No, it's not cost effective. Okay? But if you own a laboratory, do that. What is airs? Anemia. Presence of anemia or absence. That's the first thing for the presence of anemia. Next is NDCs. We want the algorithm again. With the whole requirement. It's really not enough. But for me, this really helps with me reading the peripherals here for 15 years. So yan na. Why I'm very studious about this one? So being the coach of the ABMC Museum, it's very hard last year to teach them. And then we just study with the parties with the notes and the party of 100 slides. So so I really study how to teach you very easily. So next is emphasis, MCV, to be specific. Kailangan, what are the other indices? There's MCH, MCHC, and then you get the R. which is the RBW and the reticulocytes. And then the smears, meaning whatever finding there, you always request for the smears. Okay, you already found. First, di ba, CBC muna. What are the routine tests?
CBC.
CBC, urinalysis, X-ray.
Isa.
So, meaning if you have ubo, X-ray, CBC, urinalysis, and urinalysis, you always go. Isakpak lang sa uyab, CBC, urinalysis, pak. It's still acceptable. No one will ask you why. Routine test. Okay? After the CBC, patient came in, no, nagipong-ipong ko. Okay? So, don't pussy, nagipong-ipong ko. 10 days ako menstruation. So, abnormal already, di ba? So, after that one, you do the CBC. Bye-bye, 10 days menstruation. By the time that you will receive, you will request for the retic count. Okay? Kay years na retic count. That's why you know, how come these hematologists will always request for reticulocyte at the same time? So what I study is really part of narrowing down the differential diagnosis. Okay? Magkatanahan, ako na balik-balikon na. Oh. Anemia now, both pathophysiologic and morphologic classification. So again, which of the two will be the step one? Morphologic, pathologic. Morphologic, meaning si air, for me, only, no guidance that I'm following. Ikaw man, di ba sila? Multiple choice, mangita yung keyboard sa kasama ng air, and what are the so morphologic the first, and then pathophysiology is through the history, right? It makes sense, sir. So how will you do the morphologic? It's through the airs. How will you do the airs? So morphology, ego, macrocytic, normochromic, microcytic. But how will you do that? Pero pathophysiology guess mo sa history. First step, okay, is determination of red cell count. You should know how to compute this one. I already submitted the exam, and there's really computation. Two numbers to be computed without. Is there an Indian? Total red cells, the normal is 4.5. And the total red cells for the patient is 4.49. A patient from Marcos Satubi. Marcos Satubi from Mindanao. Elmini may tubig. So Marcos yung may tubig. Anemic or not anemic? Ha? Kasi iba po siya napaka-cobra ni studio during yung campaign. How was your sleep? Anemic, not anemic. Low na to. Sorry. Then, hematocrit is 0.60. Nabali na siya, ha? Nabali na. Ang hemoglobin is 0.16 and the hematocrit is 52. Anemic? And the total RBC, 1 million. Anemic, not anemic. Anemic. Secret. Oh. So, hemoglobin of 12, hematocrit of 30, RBC of 3 million. How to know the how? So how do you determine? If it's below the range already, is it anemic already or not? Anemic result? If the normal is 5 million and you have 4.99 million, anemic already?
Yeah.
4.8? Okay, there's a range already. So which of the parameters is to be computed? RBC, hematocrit, hemoglobin, all. Practically, the best indicator for this condition is low red cell and the number of what is red blood cell? Red blood cell count itself. What is number of red blood cells per volume per whole blood? That's hematocrit. And then some books, the most important indicator for anemia is hemoglobin and lipid. So what we're going to compute, any of those lower values. Then compute, what does hemoglobin? Compute to hematocrit, compute to. Diba? Okay, there are times first in the first case of there is low. But what is low? Only the RBC. Diba? So the reference range for RBC count varies with age, and there is sex, population. Encompasses the values around 4 to 6 million per RBC cubic mm. Do you need to memorize the normal values? No. Why? Based on the WHO, the normal values per laboratory, it should be based on the laboratory first 100 patient tested. Meaning, supposedly, you don't need that to memorize this one. But when I read during the PMC review for the quiz lead, and the one that we're using is really previous questions from the board exam. You really have to memorize. There are really questions from the board exam na no value, but you really have to determine if it's anemic, abnormal, or normal. Memorize that. But with mine, no. It's really, I will teach you really to compute why. By the time you become a doctor, CBC is really routine.